Let me show you how we can edit scheduled messages on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you use the Messages app made by Samsung, then in this case you can go to the conversation, find the scheduled message, and you can tap on the icon of the clock, and then we can press edit. Over here we can see when it will be sent. We can tap on this text when it will be sent and adjust the date and time, and you can also tap on the message and adjust it as well. If you use Google Messages app instead, then you can once again go to the conversation. Over here you will find scheduled messages. We want to tap here in order to unfold it, and tap on this icon over here in order to choose update message. And pretty similar way we can adjust the date and time as well as edit the message if needed, and then press send again. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.